Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Okay, I'm so happy to have all of you here for today's video. I have been feeling so good. My energy has been just amazing these past few weeks, and I think just as the weather is warming up, I am just like, I'm warming up too. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling good, feeling great. Summer is coming, and you already know everybody's planning to be outside the house, okay? So we gonna be outside this summer. We gonna be safely we gonna be safely outside this summer, but we gonna be outside, that's for sure. Okay, with everyone being locked in last summer, this summer is about to be a real hot girl summer. So I'm going to be putting out some styles that you can do so that the whole look is just nice and uniform and you are ready to pop out when it's time. Okay, so for today's video, I actually have a hairstyle idea. I have not done this hairstyle before, and honestly, I don't even know how to explain it to you guys. I think you guys are just gonna have to like watch me do it. Basically, it's going to be a braid out, but in the center, we are going to do a little hair design in the center. Okay, so I will show you guys all of that. We will get into it. This hairstyle was inspired by Naturally Curla, but I am going to tweak it and make it my own. So yeah, I'm really excited to execute and see how it's going to turn out. So the products that I'll be using to execute this hairstyle, I'll be using my Uncle Funky's products. And you're also going to need some rubber bands, you'll need some hair clips, and you'll also need just your general styling tools, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this style. Alright, so my hair is washed and deep conditioned. So when I come on camera, you guys will most of the time see my hair already in twists. This is how I deep condition, and when I rinse out the deep conditioner, I leave my twist in. So I rinse my hair with the twist in. That way when I come to style, my hair is already broken down in sections, and wash day goes a lot, not even wash day, but just the styling process goes a lot quicker when your hair is already broken down into itty bitty mini weeny sections, okay? All right. So what I want to do first, we know that braiding is going to be easy, so the braid out part is going to be easy. So let's go ahead and do the design first, all right? So I'm going to, luckily, when I was conditioning, I parted really well. So I kind of already have my parts here. I might need to neaten them up just a tad bit, but for the most part, I'll be working with this section for the design that we will be doing. Okay, so that is a plus. So I basically can just go ahead and put these twists back for now. So I'm going to be using very minimal rubber bands for this style. I don't really like to use rubber bands on my hair because of the breakage. Also, another hack you can do is to put oil on your rubber bands before you put them in your hair to reduce breakage. Alright, so with this first part, what we will be doing first is making 4 sections across, okay? So I'm going to walk you guys through this step, alright? Alright, so now that we've got these two pieces, what you want to do is take the front and split it down the middle, and then you're going to wrap it around the second one. and then put a rubber band. All right, and so we're just gonna repeat that on these last two parts. So we've got another section done. All right, so we're gonna split it again down the middle. All right, and this is our last and final section. All right, now we take all of it, split it down the middle once more. Alright guys, so the hard part is done. You guys can see that this design basically made a little braid, like a elevated braid going up into a ponytail. So when we do our braid out, we will have a slightly elevated little, you know, like half up, half down look, okay? So I'll be using all 4 of my Uncle Funky's products to braid up my hair, alright? Alright, so I have finished braiding. I've done the little design. Now all that's left is to lay our edges and tie down our hair. So I'm going to use the same Curly Magic for my edges. so it's the next day and my braids are completely dry, and I'm just gonna go ahead and gently unravel them. I have such high hopes for this hairstyle because I think this little like middle design piece is really just gonna tie the whole look together. Okay, so I'll just be using some of my favorite oil to unravel these braids. Alright, so I'm doing my favorite little hair hack where I put a little bit of product on the end to make my curls pop. So I'm using extra butter to do this. Alright, so all of my braids are out. I am now going to lightly pick out my hair. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little hairstyle. You guys know that braid outs are my go-to style. I did want to spruce it up a bit and add a little design. So I'm happy it all worked out. So I'm super pleased with the results of my hair. It's so hydrated. Like, y'all, just look at how hydrated it just looks hydrated. So y'all know, like, me touching it and feeling it, it feels amazing. You guys know I love my Uncle Funky's products. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching me do this hairstyle. If you do try it, tag me in your pics so I can see. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.